WellCost. So today we are going to go to our last module, which is WellCost. So we shall be looking at the petroleum economics while drilling. So you come and click on WellCost. This is our last module as we prepare for our quiz, and it's still me, Kiza Thomas, taking you through the last module of Landmark. I hope by the end of this you will have learned at least a thing or two about drilling engineering. So you click on WellCost here, and then me, I've already clicked, so I'm going to put off this. So we are going to select one of our projects that we are working with. So I'm going to look for one of the projects from here. I think our projects were called Elite. I'm seeing Elite is here. So please just look for one of the projects and let us open that and work with it for today. So I'm going to double click on this one, and we can work with this. So I don't know if this has, okay, this doesn't have a well trajectory that is showing. So there are two options. You can either choose one of the projects that is available, or you can start afresh and put in a new project. Any of the two will work. So also this one does not have a well trajectory attached in it, unfortunately. So I'm going to check one of these. Or we can do with having a new well trajectory. So if you want to do a new one, you click here, you go on new, and you put an instant design. So if you're working with an anyone, I'm going to give the company name. We are going to use Elite, and then I'm going to call this project 1. I'm going to call this site 1. I'm going to call this well 1. I'm going to call this Elite 17, so that I can easily identify it. So the well bore, I'm also going to call it 1. The design, I will also go with design 1. So it's become okay. So I wait for it to come through. So I have a fresh project that I've created. So I'm going to choose the start event, and I'm going to say I'm doing drilling and completions. So if it is drilling, completions, and abandonment, you choose that. So I come here and I choose completions. So this is for drilling, this is for completions. So I'll have to put in the project code. I'll choose development, then the department code is the contract. So you can put in the AFE number. So for today's lecture we don't have an AFE number, so I'll just try to create one. I hope we all understand what AFE stands for. Now we have the AFE and the Monte Carlo. So as we continue, I'm going to take you through the meanings of the two words in regards to petroleum economics. So without wasting time, let me put an AFE number. When you get the results, I'll explain. So just go and put in a random number. So I put in a partner's number, and still I'm going to put in a random number. Then you can put in a description. I'm going to put in my first AFE.